take a look at your sick plant. Does it have diseased leaves? And just make sure that you're checking the top and bottom of your leaf. Does your plant need a larger pot? Are the roots growing out, or is the plant toppling over? Remove any diseased or dry leaves and cut right back to the main stem. If you have signs of growth, just make a clean cut right above the node or the new shoot. Now remove the plant from the old pot. If your plant is heavily root bound, try removing the protruding roots and tap the upside down pot against a hard surface. Just don't pull the plant. Trim off the bottom of the root ball. These tangled knots of roots can actually stress the plant and deprive it of nutrients, air and water. Now repot using a high-grade quality organic soil mix with a slow-release fertiliser. Water well and allow the plant to drain, taking only what he needs. So your plant will now put all its energy back into creating new growth. You should see new shoots in the next couple of months.